Beautiful day on the farm. Beautiful day. Except for that part.
2 feet of that clay came from Prairie Lake, and that's what created all these wetlands. Because the water can't get through that layer of clay. And this is probably so. I'm going to kind of lower this down there so I can.
What are you going to do?
Well, it's hard to get to that. I was going to hook on this.
Trying to get the chain through?
Yeah.
I could probably get in there.
Maybe a stick or something. Let me get a. I was going to pull it back like yours, but I can't get it without laying on the mud. I need a stick.
You want the...
See, what we're going to do here is we're going to run them 2 4x4s across like this, see, and we're going to wrap the chains around. Should work, should pull it right out.
This is one trick we learned from Great Grandpapa YouTube.
Get over and burn your hips on this, I want.
Reach.
Yeah, get to the length if you can.
See that
I'm
at
not
all?
sure if I can get to that one or not, Joe, but
Completely
let
buried.
me, yeah, stick or something to grab onto it. Yeah. For that. That's what she's done, folks. I learned that from a Swedish farmer from Minnesota. That's pretty good, except for the week before. I kind of had questions about that one.
Yeah, there wasn't any problem just with one. Just with one, it wasn't any problem.
Boy, you better plant some trees in there.
Yeah. Well, I want it looking like new, Joe.
Yeah, well, get it painted.
Wash and waxed by tomorrow morning.
Yeah.
got some good kindling now too.
Grab onto that one chain there, Joe, on the other side. Kind of get it unlocked. You grab onto that one chain and pull it through.